Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video we will build speech or voice from text. So we will use text-to-speech models, but not every single text-to-speech model is as good as the other ones. You often are looking at something like this. It's GTTS library from Python, and if you use these examples, this is the voice you'll get.
This is an audio example for AI voice that is not that good.
Well, it is not very good. Therefore, we will use something better like this one. It's an AI generated text-to-speech model and it will sound better. Let's check it out.
This is an audio example of a voice that is more human-like.
And this is all running on your local machine. If you want to check out how you can do this, it's not that hard. Let's check it out. So the first thing we will do, we will create a new environment and install all the necessary packages. Of course, we will activate the new environment. And we will upgrade pip and install all the necessary requirements. This will take a while, but after that everything we need is installed to our machine and we can run everything locally. So let's create the beta version of this text-to-speech generation. Let's save it as beta.py, and here we will import from tts.api TTS, and from playSound import playSound. We will specify a model name, an output path, a text we want to transcribe. And now we will create an instance from the class TTS with that specified model name and call the function TTS to file. We will give it the text and the output path. After that, we will play that sound to check if it is actually better or not. The output path will be tts.wave, and let's check the models that are available. Here you get the list from all the available models and you can check them out and test it for yourself. I've already downloaded a few and I checked that I like this model, which is Jenny. Let's copy that path here and let's write a text. This is an audio example of a voice that is more human-like. Let's try this one. And we will call the beta.py and let's see if it actually sounds better than the previous audio, and I will let you decide.
This is an audio example of a voice that is more human-like.
I'm pretty astounded what AI can do for us, even locally on my Mac, which does not have a GPU, so everything is running on the CPU. And as you can see, the real-time factor is lower than 1. That means the CPU is capable of producing audio that is longer than it took it to produce. So that's a very good thing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel.